Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete private server in Roblox. So first things first, go to your Roblox and then tap on the inventory here. In the inventory section, you have to scroll down and then you have to look for servers. Now here you will see private servers and other servers. You can click the private servers right here. Basically, you should see all your private servers. Now, once you have found your private servers, you have to simply click that one, scroll down, and then you should see this three dots right here. So this is your private server. Tap on the three dots, click on configure, and then you have to scroll down here and tap on or disable this button right here now. Disabling this allow join. When you turn off allow join in your Roblox private server settings, you are blocking all players, including friends, from joining the server. That means no one can enter the server anymore. It becomes completely private and unusable. It's basically the same as deleting the server, just without actually removing it from your list. So if you want to keep your server but stop anyone from joining, disable allow join. That means also deleting your server. If you want to delete not a private server, you just have to simply tap on configure and then you can just basically cancel a subscription right here. So these are the ways on how to delete private server in Roblox. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.